Welcome to the Fund2000.com video and audio podcast. Today I'd like to talk about what's happening in real estate and mortgages. But first, a quick introduction. My name is Chuck Ham. I've worked in real estate full-time for almost 20 years through the ups and downs of the real estate market and economy. I became a licensed real estate agent in 2004. Then I became a licensed broker in 2008. I went to law school and graduated in 2017 and passed the bar in 2019 in California. My company does sales and loans and related real estate services. My clients include first-time homebuyers, sellers of multi-million-dollar estates, commercial property clients, and everyone in between. In just a minute, I'd like to offer my opinion on recent developments in real estate, interest rate hikes, dropping home values, and where is this all going? I mean, is everything about to tank? Is this like 2008, 2009? Well, that's what everyone's wondering. But before I do that, let me plug my real estate company, California Mortgage Professionals. Our website is fund2000.com. That's F-U-N-D 2000.com. You can check it out just to look at interest rates. You can also apply for a mortgage there, whether it's a purchase or a refinance. We do all kinds of loans such as FHA, VA, first-time home buyer, down payment assistance, or no down payment required if you're getting a grant. We have those kind of programs. Construction loans, bridge loans, refinance, etc. Whatever kind of mortgage loan you need in California, we can do that for you. And we charge less than most lenders, which makes our rates and our upfront costs lower than most others. Our company also does real estate sales, which is convenient for our clients because you don't have to repeat the same kind of application information and offer information to both the agents and the loan officers. We coordinate everything in-house. Sold2000.com is our website, so it's a little bit like the fund2000.com. The sales website is sold2000.com. The needs for loans are so different than for sales, so we have two different websites because the needs for sales clients are so different than loan clients. We don't always jumble the services. You're not required to use us for loans or for sales. You can use either one or both if you like. We partner with and we hire agents all over California. We can do sales and loans all over California. Our independent model allows us to provide the same and better service than bigger firms and for less money. We use the same multiple listing services. Our listings and all the information we draw from or input goes to all the same big websites like Zillow, Redfin, the firm's websites like Coldwell Banker, Century 21, Remax, etc. Unlike Redfin and similar firms, our agents have more time per client. I've heard horror stories about the bigger discount firms like Redfin that the clients can't get through to their agents, and their agents are too busy helping too many clients, and they don't offer very good services. They don't get in-depth training on complex issues, and that's where we actually specialize. So we have more time per client because we don't have as many clients per agent. We don't rely on a volume business model. We emphasize personal and competent service for each one of our clients more than any other firm. So if you're looking for a sales firm to buy or sell real estate, or if you're an agent looking for a new firm to join, check us out. Go to sold2000.com. I work personally with all our clients and agents on both loans and sales transactions. This creates a coordinated and efficient experience for everyone. We also have other staff that helps me, and if you have another agent with our firm, I help them, and I try to get involved where needed with clients. Okay, so what's happening in real estate? A lot of people want to say that the real estate and the broader markets and economy are stable, and I understand why they want to say that. We don't want to doubt that if it's not true, but they're saying things like there's no recession and home prices will remain strong when we're already seeing adjustments. We're already seeing really big problems. So my opinion is the real estate market has been showing signs of weakness already. In fact, that weakness started years ago because limited supply of homes is inherently a weakness. And I think it's a falsehood that prices can just keep going up and up and up. So I believe the limited supply of homes is unsustainable, and now we're getting to the point where we can't sustain it any longer. And that's probably getting accelerated a little bit by other factors in the economy. We've been talking a lot about inflation. That's going to hit home prices and values of real estate, because real estate values are all based on what a buyer can afford. So if they can't afford as much as before because inflation is higher, then prices have to eventually come down. That obviously has to work with other factors. Then we have the Fed interest rate hikes. Just a few months ago, our interest rates were at 3% and below, and now all of a sudden we have higher mortgage rates that resulted after the Fed hiked interest rates, and just yesterday they hiked them again. That has resulted in higher mortgage interest rates, which for most buyers, that means a higher payment. They can't afford as expensive a property as they could previous to the rate hikes. So that, together with inflation, is an even bigger problem. Well, people say it'll still continue strong. The real estate market will still continue strong because we have such good jobs markets. Well, I personally do not believe the jobs market can remain strong as long as the Fed has a policy of cooling the economy. There are a lot of fragile components to our economy right now, and I think jobs is one of them. I'm not an economist, but many economists foresee a decline in sales prices, and I think it's true. We're already seeing it, actually. We're seeing longer days on market. We're seeing some prices in some areas go down, especially the most expensive markets. We're seeing a drop in pending sales and all of the signs of a weakening real estate market. Well, thanks for listening, and in future podcasts, I'll discuss similar news and issues related to the real estate market, like foreclosures, rent control, real estate development, permitting, ADUs, etc. If you want to contact me, go to fund2000.com, and you'll see the contact information there, or sold2000.com. Thank you.